Today we embark on a journey to explore the stunning landscapes of Colombia, a land blessed with breathtaking sceneries. Imagine a place where the earth unfolds in a myriad of textures, from the lush greenery of the coffee cultural landscape to the rugged grandeur of the Andes Mountains. Picture the mystical allure of the Amazon rainforest, a verdant symphony of life, and the vibrant splash of color that is the Caribbean coast. Colombia is a tapestry of diverse and awe-inspiring landscapes, each more enchanting than the last. This is a land where every vista is a feast for the senses, each panorama a testament to nature's artistry. So, if you've ever dreamt of losing yourself in the sheer majesty of the natural world, of being swept away by the raw, untamed beauty of our planet, then you are in for a treat. Come, immerse yourself in the enchanting beauty of Colombia. First stop on our scenic tour, the coffee cultural landscape of Colombia. Imagine the smell of fresh coffee wafting through the air. As we delve into the heart of Colombia, we are greeted by a vista of lush greenery. The rolling hills, draped in a verdant carpet of coffee plantations, stretch as far as the eye can see. It's a sight that's as invigorating as a strong cup of joe in the morning. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee, rich and robust, is a constant companion as we navigate through these verdant landscapes. The coffee plantations are not just about the stunning landscapes. They are living, breathing entities, with a pulse that beats in rhythm with the lives of the local people. These hardworking folks with their warm smiles and welcoming demeanors are the lifeblood of the coffee culture here. Their days are spent tending to the coffee bushes, lovingly nurturing each bean to perfection. It's their unwavering dedication that gives Colombian coffee its distinct character. The traditional architecture in this region is a testament to the rich cultural heritage. Picture quaint houses with tiled roofs, nestled amidst the coffee plantations. Their rustic charm perfectly complements the natural beauty that surrounds them. Let's not forget about the coffee culture that's integral to this region. It's not just about growing and harvesting coffee, it's a lifestyle, a tradition, a passion that's been passed down through generations. Visiting a local coffee farm and witnessing the journey of a coffee bean, from the plant to your cup, is a truly enlightening experience. The locals are more than happy to share their knowledge and love for coffee, adding a personal touch to the experience. But it's not just the sight, smell, or taste of coffee that's enchanting. It's the sense of unity, the shared love for this humble bean, that binds everyone together. It's the stories, the laughter, the shared moments over a cup of coffee that make this place truly special. A visit to Colombia is incomplete without experiencing the intoxicating aroma of its coffee lands. Next, we ascend to the majestic Andes Mountains, the backbone of Colombia. These towering peaks, which stretch across 7 countries, form the longest continental mountain range in the world. Yet, it is here in Colombia that they truly shine, offering an unparalleled blend of grandeur, diversity, and adventure. The Andes' grandeur lies not only in their towering peaks piercing the sky, but also in their rich tapestry of valleys, glaciers, and high-altitude plains. It's a landscape that commands respect and awe, a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of our planet. But the Andes are more than just a pretty face. They are a thriving hotspot of biodiversity, home to a dizzying array of flora and fauna. From the elusive spectacled bear, the only bear species in South America, to the strikingly colorful Andean cock of the rock, the region is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The mountains are also carpeted in a diverse range of plant life, including the unique frailejones, which stand like sentinels on the high Andean plains. Yet, the Andes are not just a wilderness. They are home to numerous indigenous communities, each with their unique cultures and traditions. These communities have adapted to the harsh mountain conditions over centuries, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the mountains. Their vibrant cultures and rich heritage add another layer to the allure of the Andes. For the adventurous, the Andes offer some of the most thrilling hiking trails in the world. These trails navigate through stunning vistas, from snow-capped peaks to verdant valleys, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual trekker, the Andes have something for everyone. So, whether you're a nature lover drawn to the diverse flora and fauna, a culture enthusiast intrigued by the indigenous communities, or an adventurer seeking the thrill of the hike, the Andes in Colombia beckon you. These majestic mountains, with their grandeur, diversity, and adventure, promise an unforgettable journey. The Andes in Colombia, a paradise for nature lovers and thrill seekers alike. Now, we plunge into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, the world's largest tropical rainforest. This living, breathing entity stretches across 9 countries, with a significant portion nestled within Colombia's borders. It's a realm of unparalleled biodiversity, a place where every inch is teeming with life. Imagine a place where you can find more than 400 billion individual trees, representing 16,000 species. Each tree stands tall, a testament to the tenacity of life. Beneath the leafy canopy, the forest floor is a cacophony of sounds, from the rustle of unseen creatures to the symphony of insects and birds. The Amazon is also home to a multitude of unique tribal cultures, each with their own rich traditions and deep connections to the forest. These communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of this vast ecosystem. They are the true guardians of the Amazon, their knowledge and wisdom vital in preserving this precious resource. Venture further, and the Amazon River awaits, a serpentine marvel winding its way through the heart of the rainforest. Embarking on river journeys here is like stepping into another world, one where time seems to stand still. The river, with its countless tributaries, serves as the lifeblood of the rainforest, supporting a myriad of species both above and below its surface. However, the Amazon rainforest is not just a treasure trove of biodiversity, it's also a vital global climate regulator. It absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate climate change. Its preservation is more than just an environmental issue, it's a matter of global importance. But the Amazon is under threat, from deforestation, climate change, and other human activities. Preserving it is not just about protecting a beautiful and fascinating place, it's about safeguarding our future. Because without the Amazon, our world would be a much different and quite possibly, a much less hospitable place. The Amazon, a world of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Finally, we set sail to the vibrant Caribbean coast of Colombia. The moment you step foot here, it's as if you've entered a world painted with the most vivid colors, where the golden beaches sparkle under the sun, and the azure waters glisten like a sapphire gemstone. The Caribbean coast is a long stretch of paradise, dotted with countless charming cities that are steeped in history. Each city offers a unique tale of its own, unfolding chapters of fascinating stories that date back centuries. Wandering through these cities, you can't help but feel the energy of the past, present and future, colliding in a beautiful symphony of time. Now, let's not forget the music and dance culture that breathes life into the Caribbean coast. The rhythm here is infectious. It's a place where the beats of salsa, cumbia, and champeta echo through the streets, inviting everyone to join the dance. The music is a language in itself, a language that speaks of joy, passion, and the vibrant spirit of the Colombian people. And of course, a journey to the Caribbean coast wouldn't be complete without a taste of the coastal cuisine. This is where the sea meets the land on your plate. Fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and traditional recipes provide a culinary journey that is as diverse and colorful as the landscape itself. But let's not forget the climate. The Caribbean coast is blessed with a warm, sunny climate that makes it a year-round destination. It's the kind of climate that invites you to bask in the sunshine, to feel the sand between your toes, and to let the sea breeze whisk your troubles away. The Caribbean coast of Colombia is a celebration of life itself. It's a place where the elements of nature come together to create a symphony of colors, flavors, sounds, and sensations. It's a place where every day feels like a festival, and every night is a starlit soiree. The Caribbean coast where the sun, sea, and sand dance in harmony. Colombia, a country where every landscape tells a story. We've journeyed through the lush coffee cultural landscape, with its rolling hills and aromatic coffee plantations. We've scaled the majestic Andes Mountains, their peaks reaching up to touch the sky. We've ventured deep into the mystical Amazon rainforest, teeming with life and mystery. And we've relaxed on the vibrant Caribbean coast, where the sun kisses the sea and the rhythm of life is a celebration. This is just a glimpse of the diverse, breathtaking landscapes that make up Colombia. Each place has its own unique charm and story to tell, and we encourage you to pack your bags and explore them for yourself. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Which part of the world would you like us to explore next? Leave your suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us bring more such journeys to you. Until next time, keep exploring.